Hi everyone, here's a short little video on planting nasturtiums. Hey, where you going? Please watch it and hope you like it. Today we're going to talk about planting some nasturtiums. Nasturtiums are, you can eat them in a salad. They're great flowering plant to have in any small pots or just around the garden in general. So the first thing I'm going to do is take out some of these weeds in here. This avocado tree that we've planted earlier, it's looking great. Starting to get plenty of growth on it, likes the heat. This weed here, it's an oxalis, very nasty weed in the garden, and the best thing to do is dig it out. It's got lots of tiny bulbs on it and they multiply, so the best thing to do with that weed is dig it out. There. Most of these weeds will go to the chooks. They haven't been sprayed. If you spray your weeds, throw them in the bin. Don't give them to any animals. Throw them in the bin. Sticks in there and get them out too. The nasturtiums like a bit of poor soil, so this is perfect. The soil's not the greatest in here, but it's what they like. Pulling the soil off. My biggest problem is I'll have to keep the chooks out of here today, but I'm going to use some netting after I give them a water. So once I plant them, I will give them a drink, and I'm going to put some netting over it today, and hopefully that'll keep the chooks out. We've got a lot of small chooks at the moment. They'll fly over this fence and get into and dig it all up. The reason I'm only wearing one glove is when I'm planting, I quite like peeling a bit of soil. Weed there. I'll give them a drink now. These will go to the chooks. Planting seedlings as well will also keep your pot, your soil in your pot really good and healthy. Okay, so here's our mesh that I'm talking about. It's great for covering up seedlings. I'll put that here. There we go, perfect. That should keep the chooks out for today. They might hop up here, but they won't hurt anything. Okay, so thanks for watching my video on nasturtiums and planting them. Please give it a thumbs up or a comment down below if you liked it, and please subscribe to my videos, and I will see you on the next episode of The Dad Gardener. Thanks for watching.